Hello friends, in this video we are going to see about points to consider before buying a site or vacant land. Are you planning to buy a site or vacant land for construction purpose or investment purpose? These are the points which you need to consider before selecting or choosing a site, and the points will help you as a checklist. So please review from your perspective and make a good decision. Road width. Verify how much is the road width is there before your site. The more is better. Now new projects are coming up with 30 to 35 feet of roads. In 30 feet width, rain drains also will occupy some space. After that you will end up having around 25 feet. Road access. Verify if you have proper road access for the site or not. Most of the sites will have only one road access. If you have one, then verify if that access road is compatible or not. Few sites will have multiple number of alternative routes, which is better. Site safe. Check whether the site is in proper safe or not. If it is in proper safe, then while constructing a building space will not be wasted. Otherwise, you may end up to lose some space. It is advisable to take rectangular or square shaped sites rather than taking odd dimension sites. Remember, odd dimension sites will have for a lesser price than the normal size. If you have a square or rectangular shaped dimension site, then it will be easy for construction too. Vastu. Verify if the site is Vastu compliant. If you are particular about Vastu, check any street which is opposite to your site. Purpose of buying a site. Before searching for a site for buying, identify your purpose, whether it is for a residential purpose or commercial purpose. This is very important aspect. If your purpose is residential house, then don't choose your site near to crowded areas. And if your purpose is commercial, then choose near main roads. If it is a dead end road, then it will be a good for residential purpose, also for children. There will not be any traffic. Background verification. Before buying, inquire with neighbors about the site and ask for any issues. Look for any court cases, OS numbers near site. If there is a dispute, then people might have written OS case numbers on the site compounds. Ask multiple brokers about the area prices. If you are searching for a site in a new locality, then you may need to ask the site prices with multiple people so that you will not be go ahead with only one option. Usually while inquiring there will be more price, but the actual price will be less. Water availability. As we all know, water is one of the crucial resource to maintain the house. Otherwise it will be difficult to maintain the house. Preferably take the sites in the areas where the government will supply water. Identify in how many feet water is available in the underground so that you can dig or bore well. If you want to dig bore well, then you need to follow the local area regulations. Drainage links are available or not. In case if you have selected a site for purchase, look for the drains both for rainwater and sewage lines. If few of layouts, all the rainwaters will be go and stop at the layout end. From there another layout might have started, but there will not be any link between both the layouts drainage systems. In this kind of situation, you need to be extra careful while buying a site. Look for electricity and sewage connections also. Take actual measurements. Before committing for a site, inspect the site for actual measurements. Few of the sites will have difference between shale deed measurements and actual measurements. If actual measurements is less, then you can pay for less. Site facing. Site facing plays a vital role in purchasing. Usually corner sites will have more price than the normal one. For corner sites, one has to pay more registration charges also to the government. Usually the corner sites are better because of ventilation. After corner sites, next preference will be there for east, north, west and south road facing sites. Based on the site facing price will differ. In case if you are buying a site for the investment purpose, then better to choose east and north face sites so that resale can be done quickly. Site documents. This is not a comprehensive list, but you may need to depend on a layer to identify other documents are required. old years easy, mother death, property tax, commute felicities. Identify nearby bus stops and metro stations. After identifying the distance gauge, how this distance will affect you in case of if you are traveling by public transport. If public transport is not available, then look for any other alternatives are available or not, like auto stand, private cab, etc. Look for any high tension power lines are going on top of the site which you are planning to buy. If high tension wires are there, then will be restrictions on the number of floors you construct. Surroundings. Verify if there are nearby parks for children's hospitals in case of medical help is needed. These are all the points you have to look before buying a site. If you are like this video, then you can share with your friends and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.